Well, good morning, everybody. We're starting things off bright and early today for another adventure. And this one here is one that's completely different than what we've done in the past. Today is moving day. We've got boxes filled with all of the stuff that we've pulled out of our cabinets. And in about a couple hours, we're going to be heading to our new house in Cleveland Heights just to get everything moved out. And then we have to put the RV into storage. One of the reasons why we pulled everything out beforehand was because city ordinances don't allow us to have the RV at our house for too long, so we wanted to make sure that we could get things out and moved in as quickly as possible rather than emptying everything right on the spot. But this is looking like a mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little different than typical moving day.
Look how many clothes Mama has. These are filled.
It is surprising how much stuff this little space holds because it all has to be in cabinets while you travel so that it's not moving around. It's hidden and it's out of sight, out of mind. And as we're pulling everything out, we're like, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. And oh, we have that too. So there's a lot in these cabinets.
A lot. A lot.
Mariah's helping us clean out the black thing.
I hate this job. It's the worst job ever you could ever make me do. And you made me do it anyway.
It smells delicious, doesn't it?
No, it smells like farts.
Ouch.
There's just a whole lot of stuff in there, isn't there?
It's coming and coming and coming. I think this is the last cabinet though.
You sure?
I'm not sure. Nope, there's still the cabinet under the sink. Still more.
It's never gonna end.
All right, I think we finally got everything set. We're gonna pull in the slide. Boxes are loaded. Things are ready for travel. Here we go. Here we go, we're off. Navigate to home.
Home, all right. Welcome home.
So we've just pulled up to our house, and as we were doing that, the UPS guy just dropped off our mattresses that we ordered online because the mattresses that are in the RV are going to be staying there. And now we have to empty all of the things in the RV. It's a nice little moving truck we've got here.
Homey, quite a homey moving truck.
Now the real work begins.
Over the last few weeks, Lana keeps opening up her drawer and saying, I don't have any socks, we need to buy new socks. As we moved out, we must have found like 7 pairs of socks in her bed. Shoved
or other places.
Underneath. So I think she's set. I don't think we need to go shopping anymore.
You got that? It's bigger than you are.
Her most precious possession.
Ugh.
Don't bonk the ceiling.
This is my baby. It's bigger than me. Definitely heavier.
We've got most of the things out from inside the RV, got it all cleared out. The girls were very helpful in doing that. But if you were ever wondering how much stuff you can actually fit inside of an RV,
This is most of it.
it's quite a bit.
Surprising how much is hiding in there. So now to get this inside, we got a few things under in the storage units to take out, and then that's it.
Well, that is it. We've emptied out our house into our new one. Is it time for lunch?
Yeah, for lunch. See if we can find the food. Guessing game. Which box is it in? Puppy's free.
You're already eating. How did you do that?
I don't know, I just made lunch.
Okay, time to get our mattresses. You gonna help with these?
Okay.
Come on, I think you can do it.
Big. Ant, go away.
Come on.
Too heavy, can't do it.
I guess I'll have to do it. Okay.
We need scissors.
There's a mattress in here.
So clean.
Ready to add some air to your mattress?
Yeah.
Didn't know it was an air mattress, did you?
Oh no, I didn't know that. Too bad. My mattress is puffing up.
Just like that, it's magic.
A magic mattress, like a magic carpet. It's gonna fly.
You don't want the mattress, you just want the box it came in?
I want to sleep in the box.
Okay, go inside, we'll lock you in.
No.
Go. Go. See you later.
Fit properly.
See you later. This one's here. It's a lot heavier than the girls' big one.
Well, it's double the size.
Ah!
It's cleaner.
Whew. Can I take a break yet?
We ordered a tuft and needle mattress for our bed in the RV when we were finishing out the RV. And it has been so amazing that we had to order them for all of us. The girls got a version that was on Amazon that's a little bit thinner, but they look super comfy. And I know ours will be because it was amazing.
Is yours the same as the one in the RV?
Yes, it'll just be long.
Because we're not going to cut it short
We
this
won't have
time?
to cut it short to fit, and it can actually stretch out all the way long.
And my feet will hang over the side of the bed.
Yeah.
The box says 2-person lift on it. I had to bring it all the way up the stairs myself.
Quick, I hear it blowing up already. Get out of there.
An explode.
Here we go. The magic air mattress.
Bum, ba-da-bum.
Well, that's gonna do it for moving in. We have piles of stuff throughout a couple different rooms in the house. As you can see, there is no furniture yet. Rachel's working on getting the kitchen organized since, hey, there's cabinets to put
There's
things
so
in.
many cabinets. I don't know what to do with all this.
The question is where to put it.
I know, gotta figure it out. I'm sure it'll move around as we start living in the space.
But we've got some furniture to buy hopefully this weekend. The yard, which you guys haven't seen yet, needs some work. We don't have a lawnmower or any tools for that, so got to figure that one out. But now I have to head to the Thousand Trails campground. That's about an hour away, since that's where we're gonna be storing our RV. So I've got some driving to do. Gonna drop that off, and the girls are gonna hopefully get some things sorted out.
We'll have it all ready by the time you're back. No, no way.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys on the road.